2010 Toyota Tundra 4x4. Super sharp truck, lifted, wheels, tires, double cab. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Just in wonderful condition for its age. Sprayed in bed liner, tow package. Running boards. Texas truck, no rust. Super clean, as you can see. Cloth seats, no rips or tears in the seats. There's our 125-point pre-owned inspection card that's been done on the vehicle. Four-wheel drive. This has the 5.7 liter in it. A 2010 Toyota Tundra double cab 4x4 with lift, wheels, tires, 5.7 liter in wonderful condition. Needs nothing.